All right, Vito, we have the prototype of the new X2 Conical, and we just put it into use on an Ice Master Glycol system. This thing is pretty sweet, and it is a prototype. So there might be little tiny tweaks and changes because we're kind of hodgepodging some things together to use it, but it's sweet. The first thing is the Glycol Jacket. It's just welded on here stunningly. The inside is beautiful, but it's awesome in that now we don't have a reactor tube or anything coming in here. Your glycol lines come in, they go all the way around. We did test to make sure that they can't just bypass and leak through, so that works perfectly. And this thing is kind of future-proof in my mind, because as you develop as a brewer, you might want to add some things to it. So we'll talk about the core things it has. You have 3 ports on top that are 1.5 inches. You got a 4-inch port that happens to have gas transfer for both in and out with a floating buoy on there. So you can do pressurized transfers, picking up your clearest beer. You have another port on top that sky's the limit, dry hopping and all kinds of stuff. I'll probably use it to add yeast. You have a blow off tube, which is obviously quite handy. Then in the front,
PRV as well.
Built-in PRV for safety, which is keenly important. Then we have a thermal well. You know, obviously we're controlling our pump and our temp control that way. Then we have a sample valve, which we can use both for samples or to transfer out if we wanted to. And then we have the awesome bottom feature here.
2-inch on the bottom, yep, and then 1.5 inch down there.
Yeah, 2-inch tri-clover, so plenty of room, and you can see the tube we have settling out of here comes out nice and easily. As this cools down, we'll shut it off, take that out, so that we've separated that before fermentation. And it comes with a 3rd port, and it's kind of a sky's the limit. If you want to be like Vito and a pro,
yeah, you could carbonation stone in there. There's other things.
You could move this up.
Move that up, sample port racking arms. So there's definitely a bunch of combinations. For me, the coolest thing, pun intended, is the jacket though.
Of course.
The surface area, all professional commercial conicals are jacketed. So your surface area is just way greater than what you'd see on an immersion style. So I'm really interested to see cold crashing, temperature control, especially when it's 100 degrees out here right now. So.
Well, this is a lager, and we're going to be fermenting it in my garage, which holds 85 to 90 degrees almost all the time. And so we're going to put it through its paces, not only hold it at a lager temp, but then we're going to cold crash it to get it all the way down to 32. Well, these are available for pre-order now, so be sure to check out morebeer.com to check out further. But also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notify button so you can see more future videos like this.